what is the difference between composition and inheritance? Now, see, inheritance means what? Inheritance is all about reusability. It is a relationship. That is, a house is a building, or you can say building is a house. There is both a relationship, but just assume that something is a bigger set and something is a smaller set. So, if I am the son, I inherited the property of my father or money of my father, then I am inheriting. So my father is my base class and I am the derived class. So derived always is extended from base. Base is the base class. So derived class will inherit base. Also, it can provide its own function data variables. This is the inheritance. Now coming to composition. Composition, let us understand with an example. We have a class A, then we are making a class B. Now we have a class C and we have an object of class A. We can make a class an object, that is A obj1, and we can make an object of class B also, B object 2 obj2. But now you see, these two objects of two classes are the member variable of class C. So now class C has A, class C has B. When a class is referring to other class with respect to their objects, it is called a has-a relationship. Okay. So inheritance is a relationship, composition has a relationship. Composition means that an object holds other object. Inheritance, there is only one object in memory, that is a derived object, whereas in composition, the parent object holds references to all composed objects. For example, take car and an engine and Honda. Now, Honda is a car. Honda is a car. So Honda is the derived class, car is the base class. Okay. So Honda is derived class, car is the base class. The car has an engine. Car has an engine. Every car has an engine. So this is a has-a relationship. This is the difference between composition and inheritance. So the inheritance is all about inheriting, or say base and child relationship, but the composition is referring to other class with taking their objects. So class Honda, you can say class Honda colon car. So class Honda is a car. So this is the inheritance relationship.